When you're dealing with shipping container roof coating and gotta handle that annoying pooling water situation, silicone coatings are usually the real MVP for waterproofing and durability. So here's the deal. Silicone coatings stand out because they're super flexible and create a watertight barrier that doesn't break down when water pools on the roof, unlike some elastomeric coatings that might wear out faster in standing water. When you're picking a silicone product, go for well-known brands like GE, Silicone 2, or Dicor Lap Sealant, which are known for long-lasting protection. Before you slap on the coating, you definitely want to seal all the seams and openings with a high-quality, paintable silicone caulk to stop any sneaky leaks from popping up later. Also, prepping your surface properly is key. Clean off any rust, dirt, and old paint so the silicone adheres well and doesn't peel off. The bonus with silicone coatings is that future maintenance is chill because you can just reapply another coat on top without having to strip off the old one. Just keep in mind that once you've got silicone down, it's kinda tricky to paint or use other materials on top because most paints won't stick well to silicone, so plan your layers carefully. And yeah, spending a bit more on premium silicone products totally pays off, since you're protecting your containers against water damage and extending their life big time. One of the biggest slip-ups with shipping container roof waterproofing is rushing the prep work. If you don't clean and prime the surface right, your coating won't stick properly and could peel or crack under water pooling. Another is using the wrong type of sealant around gaps. Cheap or non-silicone caulks won't stay flexible and waterproof long-term, so always choose a sealant designed for outdoor silicone compatibility. Lastly, some folks skip regular maintenance thinking silicone coatings are set it and forget it, but you gotta check your roof yearly for any wear or cracks, and reapply as needed to avoid leaks before they start. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid place where homeowners like you can connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about container roofing and waterproofing. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a great way to find new jobs and grow your business in a reliable network.